Hello friends, we have seen in previous videos that Legend Call is the direct interface between consumer and service provider. In this video, we will talk about the benefits of the solution to end customer, and here are the highlights. Relief from unwanted calls. Customer will get multiple options and real offer for any required service. No need to share personal sensitive details online. Legend Call facilitate multiple services with single mobile app. Wider customer base will be served easily and effectively via Legend Call in India. Let's discuss these in bit detail. We all know that unwanted calls on regular basis is a big issue because there is no such solution with the service providers which identifies the actual customer at any given point of time and due to which they call you to offer their services frequently. Legend Call solution provides that insight to the service providers that when you are looking for their services, only then they will call you back to discuss it. Also, Legend Call has feature of keeping you in do not disturb or DND mode until you exclusively go to app or website and ask for any of the given service via Legend Call. Once your request has been completed, no one will call you back regarding that service because you will go into DND mode again. We have already tried multiple apps which prevent spam calls, but we know that they are not effective. However, Legend Call solution will create such an ecosystem in India that no service provider needs to call any end customer unnecessarily until they are not looking for any given service. Friends, second biggest benefit of the Legend Call solution to end customer is that it provides you multiple options for any given service as it connects you to the multiple service providers when you are looking for any service like loan, insurance, banking, etc. Even though there are multiple websites and search engines available online who claims to compare multiple options available in the market and boast to provide you best offer, but we know that all those offers are fabricated and you never get the real deal. Also, by going online, it doesn't save you from unwanted calls, but it increases the chances of getting more of these calls when you compare any option on these websites or search engines. However, when you yourself will interact with multiple service providers for your requirement, for example personal loan, you will come to know the real offer or discount available in the market and you can choose the best option available. Third biggest benefit of the Legend Call solution is that by using Legend Call app website, you don't need to share your personal sensitive information like debit card, credit card and CVV number etc. to these websites or search engine which can be misused. You choose any service via Legend Call app and you just share your minimum information which is required for service providers to connect you back, and that's all. Friends, fourth biggest benefit of Legend Call app is that it facilitates you in multiple services like loan, insurance, banking, travel, property and event management etc. with single app. You just install Legend Call app and it will serve you for all the service categories, which also helps you to get rid of these unwanted call and sharing any sensitive information. Therefore, using the single app will serve your multiple purposes as discussed in this video. Last but not the least, with the solution, wider customer base in India will be served for the services offered via Legend Call who are currently deprived of these services because no one wants to reach out to them or serve them because all service providers are just wasting time and resources on high net worth customers. Problem is that lower income group customer in India don't know how to get the best offer and whom to reach out. Legend Call has vision to serve last mile customer with its solution who actually need these mentioned services in difficult times. Friends, these were just the highlights of few benefits of Legend Call solution to the customers, and this is not the exclusive list. Please install Legend Call app today to explore more benefits. Thank you for watching this video.